Hey everybody. So a few days ago, um, we boxed out our writing of our story like this. And then yesterday you guys wrote beginnings and I wanted to shout out to Sophia because we were on class meeting yesterday and she showed me the work that she did. So you guys need to join class meeting and then I can see what you're doing and help you. It's at 3 o'clock. And I think I'm going to change and do one at 10 o'clock also. It's really important that you join in. So today we're going to add on to our story. Yesterday I said you wrote beginnings. So today I just kind of want you to go through your beginnings and pick the one that you like the best, that you think you might use, and just put a star on it. So I decided I was going to use this one. Okay? All right, let's look at our ICANN. Forgot to show our ICANN. After you've done that, your ICANN is I can write a draft. Basically, we're going to write a draft. I can write a draft of my nonfiction text. That's what we're doing. I can write a draft of my nonfiction text. And there's a few ways you can do that. You could write your draft on Book Creator. You can write your draft on Pages, which we've used before in the past. And then you can just use your notebook or paper, either or, okay? I can write a draft. So I decided I start this and I start writing my draft. So here's my beginning. I'll tell you the one I picked. I picked the action one that says, it was multiplication test day. Zeffie sighed as she sat down in her seat. Her stomach hurt, her head hurt, even her heart hurt. I don't want to take this stupid test, she said to herself. And we all know she don't want to take it because she didn't study. So now you're going to write a draft. And it doesn't matter which one of those ways you decide to do it. I still want you to put at the top of your page a draft. Write the word draft. And then you're just going to start writing it. I took my beginning that I picked and wrote that. As always, I like for you to skip lines. You can see I messed up and didn't skip lines, but I'm not starting all over, and I don't want you to. Just start skipping lines from then on. And just complete your entire draft. Try to do the whole thing today. I spent some time doing it. Actually, when we started class meeting, that's what I told the kids, the people that joined us, that's what I was doing. And I made mistakes, I'm not going to worry about it because this is a draft. Remember, a draft is just our first copy, just getting our thoughts down and writing our story, okay? So that's it. That's it for the lesson today. You are going to write a first draft of your writing and make sure you pick your beginning that you want to use. And that is pretty much it, but I want you to take a screenshot, like I would screenshot, get my iPad out. You guys know how to do that. And then screenshot and load it up so I can see that you've done it. Even if you're doing it on Pages or Book Creator, you could still take a screenshot and load it up. All right, let's get our drafts done. And I would like for you to be at the class meeting so we can maybe talk about our drafts and share what we're doing. That would be awesome. Okay, bye kids. Happy writing.